Let us solve for x in this problem. We are given 8 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to 14. So we have 8 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to 40. This is an exponential problem. Let's take the logarithm of both sides. So log 8 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to log 40. By law of logarithm, log p raised to power a will give us a log p. So this equation becomes x minus 2 times log 8 is equal to log 40. Then we divide both sides by log 8. This cancels this, and we are left with x minus 2 is equal to log 40 divided by log 8. I can rewrite this as x minus 2 is equal to log 40 is 8 times 5, then divided by log 8. Then I'll apply log a times b, which will give us log a plus log b to this product, so that x minus 2 gives us log 8 plus log 5 divided by log 8. So x minus 2 is equal to log 8 divided by log 8 plus log 5 divided by log 8. Log 8 divided by log 8 is 1. So we get x minus 2 is equal to 1 plus log 5 divided by log 8. If I transfer this to the right hand side, I get x is equal to 1 plus 2, which is 3, plus log 5 divided by log 8. 8 is not in its basic form, so let's quickly make that in its basic form. So we have 3 plus log 5 divided by 8 would now be 2 raised to power 3, and the equation becomes 3 plus log 5 divided by, here this will be 3 log 2, and we can write that as x is equal to 3 plus 1 over 3 times log 5 divided by log 2. Then from here, log 5 divided by log 2 is of the form log a divided by log m, and by law of logarithm, this will give us log a base m. So x becomes 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 base 2. This is the final answer to this problem. Now we quickly check to confirm that that is correct by substituting this value into the given equation, 8 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to 40, this will imply 8 raised to power x is 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 base 2 minus 2 to give us 40. So this is 8 raised to power 3 minus 2 is 1, then plus 1 over 3 log 5 base 2 is equal to 40. Then I will apply law of indices using p raised to power a plus b. By law of indices, this will give us p raised to power a times p raised to power b. Hence, this becomes 8 raised to power 1 times 8 raised to power 1 over 3 log 5 base 2 to give us 40. 8 raised to power 1 is 8, and then this is cube root of 8 raised to power log 5 base 2 to give us 40. So this is 8. Cube root of 8 here is 2, so we have 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 is equal to 40. This expression here, by law of logarithm, is of the form p raised to power log n base p. This law states that all of these can be reduced to n because this base and this base are the same. So because we have 2 and 2 here, this simplifies to 5. So we have 8 times 5 to give us 40. And of course, 8 times 5 is 40. So 40 here is equal to 40 here. The left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, and that confirms that the solution is correct. Thanks for watching.